Want to share your Lorex security system's access with family, friends, or colleagues? It's now easier and more secure than ever. First, open the Lorex app on your smartphone or tablet and log in using your primary account credentials. Next, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Account, and finally tap on Share Device Access. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can then customize their permissions, choosing between view-only access or granting them full control over the system. The invitee will receive an email with a link to create their own account, and for enhanced security, two-factor authentication, 2FA, is now mandatory for all shared accounts. This ensures that only authorized individuals can access your Lorex system, protecting your privacy and security. Remember, you can share access with up to 10 users per account, and you can restrict access to specific cameras or zones for each user. Lorex utilizes role-based access control, or RBAC, allowing you to assign specific roles to users. The admin role provides full access to all features, the viewer role offers read-only capabilities, and the limited role restricts access to specific devices. This system helps prevent unauthorized modifications by ensuring users only interact with what they need. For enhanced security, Lorex employs AES 256 encryption on all shared sessions. This advanced encryption standard ensures that data transmitted between users remains protected and inaccessible to unauthorized parties. Additionally, two-factor authentication is mandatory for new shares, supporting methods like SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Biometric options, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, provide an extra layer of security for login. To maintain security, follow these best practices. Always use strong, unique passwords for accounts. Revoke access promptly when it's no longer needed. Enable notifications to stay informed about shared activities. Most importantly, treat shared access with the same caution as banking credentials, ensuring only trusted individuals are granted access. Keep in mind that device sharing is app-bound, and integrations with third-party services, such as Google Home, may not fully support multi-user roles without additional setup. In summary, treat shared access like banking credentials and ensure the invitee is someone you trust and know personally.